Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a really important topic for all your maritime students out there, MARPOL Annex 5. So, what is it, MARP, and what requirement must ships comply with to protect our ocean? Let's break it down. So, MARPOL, which standard for International Convention for Prevention of Pollution from Ships, has several annexes. And today, we're focusing on Annex 5, the disposal of garbage at sea. Annex 5 came into force to address the growing issue of marine litter. It's all about minimizing the discharge of garbage into our ocean, which can cause huge damage to marine life. So first up, garbage must not be dumped at sea unless it meets very specific criteria. This includes things like food waste, which must be processed or disposed of at designated areas far from shore. It is plastic. Absolutely no dumping of plastic. It is banned. Ships are required to have garbage record book to track all garbage disposal activities. It's like logbook. So, and finally, if ships are operating within special areas like Mediterranean Sea or Baltic Sea, the rules are even more strict. They need to make sure they comply with even tighter waste disposal restriction. So, those are the key requirements under MARPOL Annex 5. It's all about keeping our ocean clean and for future generation. If you found this video helpful, hit a like and subscribe button. Until next time, stay safe and sail safe.
Last night